Okay class, our networking lab activities today, you must complete the activity in physical mode with your packet tracer. Sir, is it the packet tracer software able to do the physical mode like our lab? Assalamualaikum. Hi, Hakim Aziz here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I would like to introduce to you the new features in Packet Tracer, which is version 8 and above only, which is student able to do the activities in physical mode as well as our lab activities. Just follow my tutorial until the end. Don't forget to like if there's something benefit to you. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so here we go. First, we need to download the packet tracer, which is the version 8 and above, because this only the version have the real physical lab activities. So we go to the physical tab and we can see the home city map. We just click on that and we can see the corporate office. We just click on that. We go into the office and we can see the main wiring closet. And we click on that. We are going to the empty space, which is the workspace we can do our lab activities. Okay, so from here, before we start to add the equipment, our device, we need to add the furniture, which is like a rack, a table, and a shelf. So we can manage our devices as like our lab. Also, we can add the pack board for manage our cable. So we begin to move our devices to the shelf like in our lab. From the list of device below, we can choose the device so we can add it to the shelf and manage it like in our lab before we start the work, our activities, just like a question needed. So we can add anything to the shelf like routers, switches, end users like PCs, laptops, also the cables. We can manage it before we use in our lab activities. All the device and cables, we just click or drag to the shelf to see the real device like in our labs. Also, we can put the cable to the backboard, any cable we want to use in our lab, like cross cables, straight cables, console cables, DCE, DTE cables to connect device to device. After we manage all the devices to the shelf as we want to use it, like in our activities, now we can start with the lab activities as the instruction given. We just click and drag the device to the rack. Also, we can just select from the list below and we can connect it. Next, we need to connect the devices with the cables. So we choose the right cables and connect to the right ports. If you cannot see the interface, we just right click and choose the inspect from to get the bigger view for the interface to choose the right ports for the right cables to plug in. And we can connect the cable. We also can see the physical interface at the back. Those devices, just right click and inspect rear so we can find the button on and off. So we can switch on and off the device. Okay guys, that's all our tutorial how to use the physical mode in Packet Tracer for our lab activities. Remember, this mode only available in Packet Tracer version 8 and above only. Any question, feel free to leave it on comment below.